Hi guys, welcome back to Science Studies. I haven't done a video in a while, so here we go. We're going to be doing the simple photosynthesis, simple overview. So let's just look at the plant here. First, everything is needing a sun, fairly large sun. Let's dye that yellow, and those sun lights come through. They go. And here's the thing. Here's some people get messed up. They're like, photosynthesis occurs in the flower. That's where they're wrong. Photosynthesis only occurs in the leaves. That's how they store the energy. So you have your flower here. It always skips the flower, and you'll see why in the end. So let's dye that red. I don't know why it does this. This is an old program. I should probably use Photoshop sometime. Anyway, so there's a flower. Here we go. So the first thing is the light gets into the flower through the leaves. Right here, you can see the leaves are here. And it travels after that, let's say the black is the energy, it travels down into the stem, and while it travels into the stem and the new leaves, it's transferred into the cells. And these cells use the chloroplasts and their cells. And they use a green pigment called chlorophyll to use it and store it, or not store it, but use it and make it into energy called glucose. And glucose is two things, or it is called two things. It serves two purposes. It serves as energy, and it's served as sugar. But for the plant, sugar is just, sorry about that, food. Energy and food. Then after it does that, it goes back up. Use red. It comes back up, and it goes to three places: leaves, the flower, and straw sub roots, the roots. So that is, it goes to the leaves, so the leaves can grow longer. It goes to the flower, and it goes to the roots. And in the beginning of this video, I mentioned that the flower doesn't collect sunlight for photosynthesis. It's because the flower is how they regenerate, so all the photosynthesis, glucose and everything goes up into the flower as long as the leaves and roots. But that is to help the flower, so the flower wouldn't be helping itself. It could just, then the leaves wouldn't have any purpose on the plant. So they know why leaves have purposes and where photosynthesis and how it occurs. It is actually myth here. It is not photosynthesize. No, it is not. It is photosynthesis. That's spelled wrong. Sorry about that.